guys, welcome back. It's AJTS Play-Doh here with another stunning video. Today I'm going to do unboxing and setup of this new thing, Echo Dot first generation.
First gen?
Yeah, released in 2016.
That's older than me.
Ooh, it comes in a little box. Okay. I don't know how to open it.
That's the.
Let me see.
I don't know how to open it. Dad, you can open it.
You gotta chill off this little tape right here. There
Oh,
you go.
it's open. Ooh.
Oh!
It comes with this thing. Oh, donut. It comes with a donut and maybe probably this.
The power cord.
The power cord, yeah. The power cord. Dad, you may have to register it.
You have to set it up.
Ooh. Ooh, yeah. This is like mini version of the Echo Plus. Okay. As these buttons made by Amazon.
To get a
Play music. You can play music, set a timer or alarm, ask the weather, ask questions. Play podcasts. Turn on the connected light. And more. Ooh. I got this little donut thingy.
Okay, where are you gonna plug it in at?
I think this is the correct power supply. I don't know how to plug this in.
Yeah. Make sure
Hey,
it's the right way.
This right here, Dad. This is the plug-in.
Oh, that has a plug in already.
Ooh, it looks so little. It's like Chippy over here in the cage.
The bird?
Yeah.
It's tiny.
Oh, yeah, it's so little.
Uh-huh.
Okay, we're doing.
Struggling with this.
Okay,
Oh, this is fancy.
let's get that.
Okay, there you go.
Ooh, it's so little. Okay, we have to unplug the heater thing. I'm scared. Ooh. Okay, Dad, I set it up. Dad, get the. Alright, we'll be back. We'll be back later. Alright, bye.